What's up guys, Ivan here from Scafari Guitars. Today we are going to do an unboxing and first impression of a pneumatic sander that I got from Amazon. It's one of the more expensive ones, so I wanted to see if it's worth the money, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so here's the box. I was happy with the shipping and the packaging. I had no issues there. So this is a pneumatic orbital sander that I bought to level sand the finish on my guitars. The tool is made by a company called Kovacs, and Eagle Abrasives is the line of sandpapers. So because I use this sandpaper so much, I decided to go ahead and get this very expensive tool. The paper that this company makes is amazing. It's some of the best paper I've ever used, and it cuts down on sanding time by about 50%. So this would be a good time for me to show you how much I paid for this thing. So you ready? Yep. $504 with 11 cents. If you know of a more expensive sander, please put it down in the comments down below. I would really like to see it. So here's the actual tool. Let's go ahead and open the box. I gotta tell you, when I picked this thing up, the first thing that came into my mind is that the quality is very good. This thing feels very solid. All the detail, the paint, everything about it feels like it's really good quality. The label here says that it's made in Japan, so it's not a cheap Chinese tool. It feels very ergonomic in the hand as well. So the tool came with a manual that was very easy to read. It has maintenance suggestions like oiling, cleaning, the compressor filter, the sanding pads. It tells you about the air pressure, all kinds of good stuff like that. So here's the sandpaper that this company makes. Here's a pad that goes in the sander, and then the sandpaper goes right on the pad. All right, so stay tuned. Let's hook this thing up and see how it works.
can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at. Ain't turning back around. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me. All the blood, sweat, and sacrifice. Oh, I paid the dearest price. And no shortcuts here for destiny. I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn. Lighting the fuse, let it burn. My time is rising, but you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going. I ain't turning back around. Can't stop me. Can't stop me now. No, 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 no. You can't stop me now.
Here I sanded the guitar from P800 to P4000.
This is the calm before the storm. You know what's coming, so be warned.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and wrap up the video here. Make sure to stay tuned till the end so you can see the end result. Here I'm gonna bring the guitar to a high gloss using a buffer. Also, I only level sanded and buffed the back of this guitar.
Down the empty freeway, no waiting for light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
Alright guys, here's the end result. Thanks so much for watching. I would say the tool made it a lot easier to get the job done. I plan on doing a review on the sandpaper as well in the future. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I hope you enjoyed this video and happy building.